What's going on, Metal Dude Company? If you guys notice, I have the hiccups. Don't mind that. But today we are playing some more GTA 5. So yeah. Oh gosh, it's terrible. Oh. If you guys know, what am I gonna say? It is focused in, but I'm not using my computer. I don't have my Elgato set up perfectly, and I'm pretty tired. That's why I didn't make lots of videos today, but I might make like 2 today. As soon as these hiccups settle down. See, I'm yawning a lot. I'm tired today. Today I had to get up at 7:30 in the morning. So yeah, that's my tired episode. My hiccups just started. I'm gonna drink some water also, so don't. That was the best backflip I've ever seen. Oh god. So yeah, I'm just trying to get these hiccups. Trying to wake up a little. Oh god. Leave a comment if you hate hiccups, cause I do. And then sometimes when you hiccup, you get a bad heartburn. I just don't like them for that. And apparently my truck is slowing down because of the engine hitting that rock. So that sucks bad. The truck is not turning well. Also, I just noticed. Basically, I'm just gonna try to find some random stuff to do. Oh god. Yeah, some random stuff to do, so I can get another GTA video in. I thought that'd be fun to do more GTA because I love doing this GTA series. My truck is destroyed. Ugh. So we have a big traffic jam here. Oh god, I almost got hit by a truck. This car is not working anymore. I'm so tired. Shopping carts. Oh, I got an idea. Maybe if I... Ooh. Oh wow, they make perfect ramps. Alright. So at 3 minutes, you guys, I'm making a shout out. He's not with me today. I know I do shout outs when they are with me because they make me do it. But this is a safe shout. This is a little shout out to Pugster21. You guys check out his channel. He is my other cousin that I have, and that train just destroyed my car. Wow. That train is aggressive. Oh my god. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Run, run, get up, you dummy. Dummy, get up. I'm running. Goodbye. So, my car was on fire. That train also really destroyed it. Yeah, so there it is, it's on fire. Now I need a new car. Not the same car. Let's go with this car. What I noticed is that they never wear seatbelts. So, let's say you want it, you're trying to pull them over. like you try to pull them over, and they don't listen to like sorry, when I just hit that cab, wow. Like, so like, let's say you wanna steal somebody's car and you have like your seatbelt on, you probably should have like a little mini game to do, so that you can unhook that seatbelt. So yeah, we're gonna be searching for that train again. Hopefully we can see it sooner or later, cause I want to get some revenge on the train driver. Oh god, these hiccups are terrible. Gosh. Oh god. Oh no. No. Oh, that train destroyed me also. Great. That train destroyed my front of it. Let's go chase it. I can't do it. Look at this. My front tire stopped, and it's now the car looks even smaller. Thanks a lot, train. So yeah, we're gonna get out of that small car. But just let you guys know tomorrow, I will be hopefully rested, and my hiccups will be gone, so you guys can watch me. I'll be doing a whole bunch of more videos. I was shopping and stuff for six hours outside also. So yeah, it was kind of tough. It was kind of tough to stay awake because I had baseball practice for 2 hours in the hot heat, and after that I had to go to a store to get my computer, like I was saying, but I can't record with my Elgato. I don't have like a disc with me, so yeah. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going. Let's search for a train, and actually, let's kill the train driver. Alright, so yeah, we're looking for a train. Look. No, terrible. I hate these trains so much. So I don't think it's gonna be like a let's play. It's just gonna be like let's messing around on GTA 5. Because like, you know how I always mess around on GTA 5 and stuff. I don't know if I post that Monster Jam video. Like I said, I got some gameplay of. I never got to record, so I need some new gameplay of it. But who knows? I mean, that game was fun and all, but it was hard. Oh, there we go, a little bridge. Let's go all the way up. Supercar. Oh crap, I crashed. Alright, yeah. So it's at 9, what? No, what? Whoa. Sorry guys, I'm moving my mic. I had to move the, wipe my nose. Oh god. But this is a nice car. Great for stopping a train. Oh god. Oh god. So yeah, we're gonna look for one. Oh, it's called the Bullet. So we're gonna look for one more train, and after that, I will end the video. Now I'm starting to record. I'm kind of getting a... Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you kidding me? Let's go. Let's go. I'm a train driver. Not really, but... Yeah. Die. Oh, God, I ran into a tree. Well, I think I lost it. Actually, no. The final chase. I gotta make it. Move! God, all these stupid drivers. Yeah, I'm catching up to them. No, shopping cart. Don't ruin this. No, they're going into that tunnel. Oh, crud. So, wait. Yeah, guys, I think I lost them. So, thank you guys. Please leave a like. Please leave a comment. And subscribe for more videos. And don't forget, and also to join Metal Dudes Company. Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoying this video. I hope you enjoyed it too. Yeah, see you guys in the next video I make.